Hello sir, my name is Steven Stadla and I'm here with
Steven Joseph Tomaso.
and we're going to be discussing our final output for the final project, which is the aircraft pressure control systems. Later we will be discussing the components and how they function, and we move on to the experiences which will be discussed by Steven Tomaso.
Our experience is not but it is, we have a difficulty to nahirapan kami gamit yung wire kasi may mga circumstances na hindi gumagana, ganyan. Pero nagawa naman namin ng paraan. And also, hindi ko rin nahirapan gawin mag-connect ng mga strong kasi kailangan ma-fit ko sa system ko ng sa components.
So in conclusion, for what he said, although we have encountered some difficulties katulad kasi namin yung tubo-tubo, we still managed to create a decent output which is simple yet informative as you can see. So we move on to the functions of each individual component which will be discussed by us.
So the function of the pressure fuel system is we have two tanks, the left tank and the right tank. The tank carries fuel in the aircraft. And the selector one, the fuel selector allows the pilot to choose which tank is feeding fuel to the engine. Example, kung yung pilot i-turn niya yung tank sa light, kung naka-open yung right tank. Kung yung dito naman, kung yung pilot naman yung open na dito sa yung fuel tank yung naka-open. Tapos kung yung pilot naman mag-decide na i-open yung dalawa, the boat fuel will function. Kasi yung fuel fuel naman, flow sa dito. Tapos yung fuel strainer naman, siya yung nag-strainer. So yung nag-filter ng fuel ng mga particles and fuel ng carbon deposits. Tapos dito naman sa fuel gauge, siya yung nag-i-indicate ng amount of fuel, ng amount ng fuel tanks. Yung engine primer naman, allow yung na-feed ng slow intake to boost the pressure ng fuel.
So after that, after the engine primer is done, the fuel will then flow to the mechanical driven fuel pump. So the mechanical driven fuel pump functions with a special crankshaft which pushes a lever that is connected to a rubber diaphragm which has suction that pumps the fuel to the carburetor. And another fuel pump is the electrical fuel pump, electrical driven fuel pump. This is the auxiliary or secondary fuel pump when this mechanical fuel pump is not available. This works by converting kinetic energy or electrical energy into velocity or pressure, which then pumps the fuel up to the carburetor. This is a fuel pressure gauge which displays the fuel pressure and ensures that the fuel will be pumped at the proper pressure to the carburetor itself. Now finally, and this is the carburetor. This functions by mixing fuel and air mixture inside the engine and then distributing it to each individual cylinders. That's all, sir. Thank you very much.